level, Laura.
No, you're not.
I am.
I'll show you where the fans go.
I am today. I've got my jeans on, right?
Good work, buddy. Yeah, fuck. Try one, buddy.
Buddy.
Alright, green and red.
Oh, he took Maggie. Oh, God, she's going to be dead.
Cass, she's a dog. She can handle it.
She can't. She's a baby.
Cass, shut up. Yeah.
Look at her little tongue hanging out of her.
Yellow, Dave?
Yeah, Maggie's a point for yellow because she... Yeah. Come on. Oh, do you want to come to Mum?
It's all yours, Jen.
I'm too mum.
Good girl.
Less than a minute left. You got less than a minute. That's one more lap. As long as you start it.
Come on,
it
Dad,
counts.
walk on.
Come on, I won't get it in a minute though.
It doesn't matter.
Nope,
you,
nope,
you just get back.
Come on.
Go
Good work,
again.
Nicole.
40 seconds. As long as you start it.
Oh, as long as we start.
As long as you start it. Oh, Julie, commitment.
Just do constant starts, Julie.
Walk, alright, just walk.
Good work, guys.
Yeah. That's 2 points. That's 2 points.
30 seconds, Salo. Get back and then do another lap. Quick.
Good.
That's 30 seconds. She's got 2.
Good work, Salo.
Good work, guys. It's 20 seconds. As long as you start it, it counts. Come on, Alice.
Maggie.
Come on, you got to get around these huts, and then it counts. Alice is the last one.
All right.
Come on, two.
Oh, that's cheating.
All right.
That's
That's you done.
That's time.
Yep. That's it. That's you done, guys. Good stuff.
Hey, good work, everyone. Hey, Maggie May. Maggie May.
Yep. That's it, Justin. Done.
Good work. I know he's red, but I'm allowed to say it.
Good work, guys. That's you done.
What are you eating, Maggie?
Yellow, looking pretty good. No, I don't know about that.
I think kids count, don't they?
Good work, guys. That's it. Come on, Yellow! To the hats and you're done. Sit, Phil. Good stuff.
Bridie.
Sit, Renee. We're all done now. Sit down.
I'm good. How are you going?
Just here, boy. Come up here. Let me go find you.
Babysitting for you.
Oh no, it's Saturday.
Come here.
Yeah, you got
Good work, guys. That's it.
Yeah.
On the shoulders.
Oh, don't jump. No jumping.
How your arms doing that, please?
Well done, Rich.
Remember the extra before? Oh, you're not counting.
I just... Good work, Brad.
Because she's a cross, so she's got...
Yeah, she might have a little bit in her. Looking at her.
Good work, Benzie.
Over bed, mate.
Go to the head. Good work, guys. Good work. Let's go, Green. Go, Green. Good work, Nicola. Go, Green.
Well done, Kirsty.
Good stuff. Well done, Kirsty. Well done.
It's alright, she got out to finish it earlier.
Good work, Nikki. Good stuff,
I
Cole.
might have to help you.
I knew you could do it, Jen.
Really?
Good stuff, Salo.
She's a little bit crazy.
I know you didn't do that lap, so you know. Just did.
Is she? What kind of dog is she?
Good work, Julie.
Lovely when they're puppies. They're just like a bundle of love.
Yeah.
But like,
Poppy.
All white. Are you the last one?
Snowflake.
Who's got the camera? Who's got the camera?
Dave has. Pardon? You didn't
Super ding.
Honey, if I knew that was Sue was here, I wouldn't be here tonight.